Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the DBS verification code not received step by step. First, check your mobile's network signal and make sure that it is strong. Weak signal can delay or block OTP messages. Next, confirm that your registered mobile number or email is correct. Even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving the code. Then, restart your phone and request the code again. You can also turn airplane mode on for about a few seconds. Turn it on for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off to refresh your connection. If the code is sent through email, go ahead and open your Gmail app and then click on the three-line option in the top left corner. Scroll down and check your spam or junk folders. It may be filtered there sometimes. Next, avoid requesting multiple codes quickly as this can cause delays. Wait a few minutes before trying again. If the issue continues, contact DBS Support for further assistance. That's how you fix the DBS verification code not received. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.